Last week I had a group of 5-year-olds. They all burst into song and started singing, "We don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no." I was like, how many no's are there? "We don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no." Then they sang me the song and then I caught the movie. And today let's look at this main riff that comes from "We Don't Talk About Bruno." Hi there, I'm Kylie. I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. So this is the second riff that I've pulled out from Encanto, the new Disney musical. So if you'd like to check out the riff also from Dos Oruguitas, then I'll link that below as well. And if you have any children or grandchildren, you might like to play along for fun. Well, let's pull apart this riff. Let's start with a slightly harder riff, then I'll add some simplifications if that's for you. We've got two main chords that step up with an F and a G to an A flat pattern. So let's say left, right, octave, left, right, octave, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so after we do the initial intro through the pattern 2 times, we then go to a bit of a C minor, F minor, G pattern. So we'll just block those out. And we'll do the F minor and the G in inversions, so flip those around and get them just under our hand and comfortable. Let's piece that together. This then happens a third time. And then we slide up to the A flat again. Then we repeat all again 3 more times. So after the third time again, we go back into our opening with the chorus of "We Don't Talk About Bruno." So let's do from the third time. Now chorus. That joins it all together. Now let's check out how to make it a step simpler by dropping off the octaves in the left hand. If you've got a small hand or you just want to keep it nice and simple, let's just do the single note down there. That bit would follow on the same again. And let's go simpler again by checking out just what the left hand's doing. Hold this one. And then hold, then we do it all again 3 times. And again. And again, up that way. If you'd like to catch more videos for easy piano, then join me each week and make sure you subscribe. Please feel free to share these on to any friends that might like to do some simple piano with this main riff. Thanks so much for watching. Ta-da!